Hello, hello. Amazing drop on gold here. I'm looking for 140 points. I already took halves. Oh, so my camera is turned off. Okay. Be careful because this 5 minute, on this 1 minute, we may see price coming back in. So this 1 minute we may be a big bullish 1 minute candle. We may see a bigger retracement because this is the last 5 minutes from the 15-minute candle. I would like to see a future drop, but in case it comes up here, I may look for another short. Not for another, but to add one more short. So yeah. Let's see what we have today. This was a breakout trade with a continuation to the downside. Yep, looks like the price is going to continue lower. Amazing trade. If someone took it, congratulations. Today on the stream I will show only 2 trades. I will give only 2 trades, so this is the first trade, then probably the next trade will be on NASDAQ. I'm not giving as many trades as previous, because I think it's too many trades, and also is too much value in my trades, and I'm gonna give just to satisfy you people. If you want more trades, probably I will give, but not on YouTube. Because my trades are very good, very precise, and for this type of trades I think it's too much value. So as I said, this is the last 5 minutes, and we may see a price come back inside. I would look for adding more shorts up here. It may retest the low on the left side. Okay. So this is a buy candle. If you want, you should be very careful shorting in it. So this 1 minute candle will close around this level. This is gonna be a big bullish 1 minute candle. Oh, probably I'm wrong, I don't know, let's see, but I think it's gonna be a big bullish candle. So why not take a buy? So I took a buy just for a scalp. Just for a scalp. I know where the price is going, even on 1 minute. So the next one also is going to be a bullish one. We need to retest the 329 and also to stop sellers out from their orders. Okay. So we are looking at one more leg, probably to the upside. We should be very careful. This 1 minute is gonna be a bearish closure. Probably, I don't know, but I think it's gonna be a bearish closure. Okay. Amazing, 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 amazing. Come on. So here we go, guys. You should be very careful because this candle is gonna go up. So you should be very, very careful. So this is gonna be a bearish 1 minute candle. And probably we are moving to the downside and wow. Wow, amazing. I will be looking for shorts up here, but I'm not gonna call them even if I enter shorts. You should be very careful. I may be stopped out break even, but let's see. I still think we are bearish mainly. I will be stopped out almost probably break even, but that's fine. That's fine. So this was a 75 points trade. This is a great trade. And how much I was? So it was 1 to 3 risk reward. Yeah. Okay. The stop loss was about. The stop loss was around 20 points. 1 to 3, 1 to 3.5. Yes, 1 to 3.5. That's why you make money in the market, you take profits. Let's look at the NASDAQ, what NASDAQ is doing. What NASDAQ is doing, let's see. The price definitely will move lower, but I'm gonna wait. I think we are moving to the downside, and today we should be very careful with buys on gold. I'm not sure about NASDAQ. Let me check. NASDAQ is dropping. This was a very good short up here. Wow. Looks like we may have an outside bar on a daily and a big bearish candle today. It's gonna be a doji candle. So what does it mean, a doji candle? A doji candle is a candle what is closed with the same wick to the upside as the same wick to the downside, but the body is around the middle or around this level. So let's see what we may see today on Nasdaq. But I think we are moving to the downside on Nasdaq. Okay, let's see. I may be wrong, I may be right, I don't know. Anyway, I can take buys, I can take shorts on Nasdaq. But I should wait for both, even for shorts. It will be very, very dangerous to trade, I would say, in these levels. You should be very careful trading it. Okay, now probably a short is coming on gold, but I will stay away for now. I still think, yeah, we may go lower on gold, but I may take a buy. If may give it to me, but it's a dangerous buy. Probably I will wait for continuation. I don't wanna touch it now. Okay, so basically I was not stopped out. I was few points, but I think it will come and stop me out. The next 5-minute candle. Yep, you should be very careful buying and shorting. I mainly will, if I would take a trade, then I will look for a buy right now. So I'm gonna take a buy right now. Right. I took a buy on gold. If the price goes lower, I'm gonna add a buy. Okay. I probably may look to add more buys. Let's see. Amazing. Okay. 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 Come on, go higher. I still have the shorts. Amazing. Amazing buy. Amazing. Amazing. I close everything. I enter buy here. Yeah, it's not a risk, a bad risk reward. But yeah, that's fine. Today I have my risk parameters. Okay, so basically I am disconnected. Okay, I forgot that trading view disconnects me if I'm connected to another PC, and I forgot to disconnect from my laptop where I'm trading right now. You should be very careful with gold here, with both, with buys and shorts. It's not a short yet, but it's not a buy either. You should be very, very, very careful. Okay. Today I have my risk parameters set in because I have to go early. I will not be able to trade later in the day as the last Friday, but I will be here until probably 3 o'clock London time. Okay, So probably more 1 hour and a half I'll be here. Yep, I was topped out from my short. I'm waiting for shorts, guys. I'm waiting to give me a short, to form a short. Yes, the next 5 minutes will be a tricky one. It's gonna give a kind of a buy and then a short. I will look for shorts above, I don't know, let's look at the levels on gold futures, what we have here today. Okay. And this is a daily open. This is a daily open. Yes, we are looking for the shorts today on gold. Only shorts. In case I'm right, I'm switching the bias. In case I'm wrong, I'm switching the bias. But mainly only for shorts today. So let's see. Now it's gonna give a buy on gold. I'm gonna take a buy up here. Okay. Let's see. I take a scalp only for 15 points. Buy actually 250. 25 points, sorry. Okay. I may be wrong, I don't know, let's see. This may be a bigger drop than I would like to see, but it is what it is. I am adding one buy here. I added one more buy. Okay. I close half. Probably I'm gonna close another half soon. Okay. Come on, break to the upside and don't play with me games. I know it's gonna be a spike. This type of candles are very tricky to trade, but once you know it, you make money on them. So, I'm still holding 90% of my trade. Sorry, 10%. Come on, one more push, baby. Once the next push is gonna happen, I'm looking for shorts. After I would expect one leg to the upside here. One leg to the upside. My stop loss is 389.2. This is on a future, but I'm trading CFDs, so. As I said, is a risk of rejection. It's not kind of double bottom, but here we had a lot of stops. Amazing. Let me double check. What is the... So actually the delay is quite big, I would say. I may start streaming and closing the trades. Sorry, not start closing the trade, but I may need to close the stream and let me watch, because I don't like the delay. Okay. Okay. I think now this should be... So here's a short, guys. This is a short. So I'm looking for a short. Okay, let's see it. I hope you can see me. So, I'm sorry. Come on, where are you? So 0.5. 28, 26. Come on, why are you froze? So the delay is quite big. I will need to close it and to refresh it because the delay is quite big. 1 second. Hello. So looks like we had a buy here. I was expecting the price to drop, but we are not dropping. Yep. I don't know why the delay is so big, to be honest. I try to make it as slow as possible. Okay. So now I understood why. Yep. I will end the stream and I'll have to start a new one, guys.